time of
0.1.
persistence time of our brain. How much it is, everybody? 0.1 second. Minimum sound, minimum time to hear the echo. What is the time, everybody? 0.1 second. And then next what? What is the minimum distance?
17.2 meters.
17.2 meters between the source and the listener. Sorry, reflector. So now here, the question you see that this is very important, good question. We have to make a diagram also. A girl is sitting in the middle of a park of dimensions 12 meter into 12 meter. So what is the dimensions, everybody? 12 meter
12
into
meters.
12 meter means length and breadth the same. All sides are equal. So now if you have noticed it, what will happen? One of the left side of it, there is a building adjoining the park, and on the right side of the park, there is a road adjoining the park. So let me take here is the road. Is it okay? Ellame understand? Right side. Your right side is your right side. Now this is my right side, so I'm writing here road, and here what is there? Left side, what is there? Everybody. Building is,
Building.
yes. So you can draw building. So building is there. Mention it and make it. So this is the building. So what is the distance between them? Anybody? Distance between the building and the road. How much it is? That is what
12
I'm
meters.
taking inside. 12 meters. Is it clear? Distance between the building and the road is 12 meters. Now, there is a road adjoining. The sound is produced on the road by a cracker. So, cracker sound on the road. Crackers. Cracker sound on road. Okay, everybody? Road. It is possible for the girl to hear the echo of this sound. Explain your answer, they are saying. So, is it possible to hear the echo? That is what she is asking. So, please try to answer it.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, how it is possible? We'll let us check
So
it.
because the minimum
Yeah, we will verify.
surface is
We'll verify.
17.2 meters, sir, but it is 12 meters, sir, so that it is possible, sir.
Minimum distance 17.2 Mari. Less than that means you cannot hear. Do you understand?
So we can find the distance by multiplying speed of sound in air and time in
Yeah.
minutes, sir.
Generally, but we cannot find it now. You see, to hear the echo, the minimum time difference between the first sound and the reflecting sound must be how much? Must be how much?
17.2
Zero.
meters.
Time I am asking, not distance. How much time? 0.1 second. Do you
1
understand?
second.
To hear the echo, the time difference between the hearing the first sound and the reflecting sound should be at least 0.1 second. In this case, first sound is heard by the girl. Let me take after time t. Okay? And the sound then moves forward and strikes the wall of a building and return back to her ears. So let me consider she is somewhere in middle. Let us consider. Now what will happen? The sound will come from the where? The sound will come from the where? Crackers. She wants to hear the what, guys? Anybody can tell? She wants to hear the what? Echo. Is it right or wrong? Echo means it has to go to where? Anybody can tell?
To the reflector.
Yes. It has to go to the wall. Wall is the reflector. And then it has to come back to her. Then only it will be possible to hear the echo. If not, it is not possible. Do you understand, everybody? Yes? All of you? So wherever you can take. So the minimum time to hear the echo is 0.1 second. So now you can take the sound producing by the cracker, which will go to the wall. It will hit the wall and then only it will reflect back. That is only we used to call it as echo. Is it right or wrong, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now let the time taken by the sound to reach back to the ears of the girl is t dash. Going time is t and returning time is t dash. So what is the minimum difference between them? What is the minimum difference between them? T minus t dash is equals to. That is what? Between the hearing sound and the reflecting sound must be how much?
0.1
0.
second.
0.1 second. So if it is less than that, what will happen? If t minus t
Echo will
is
not.
less than that, less than 0.1 second, is it possible to hear the echo?
No, sir.
Echo not possible. Echo not possible. But t t dash minus t is greater than or equals to 0.1 seconds, then what will happen? Then what will happen? Echo will be here. It may be equals to 0.1 second or greater than 0.1 second. Then it is possible to hear the echo. Do you understand, Ra? Everybody? Yes? Please
Yes,
rest.
sir.
Yeah. Now, what is the minimum distance we want? What is the minimum distance we want?
17.2 meters.
17.2 meters.
17.2 meters. But if you have noticed it here, the least distance, now here, what is the distance present her between her? You imagine anywhere she is present. She is present exactly at the middle or exactly at here, wherever it is. You can see. But they mentioned in the question, exactly she is sitting where? Exactly she is sitting where? Middle. So middle means, can you tell me what is the distance between the reflector and the girl? How many meters?
6
Exactly
meters.
middle. 6 meters. So 6 meters means it is less than minimum distance or more than minimum distance?
Less than.
Less than minimum distance. So is it possible to hear the echo?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So the distance is only 6 meters. So is it possible to hear the echo?
No, sir.
No. So that is what you have to rate. So the distance between the girl and the wall is how much? The girl and
6
the wall
meters.
is how much? Only 6 meters. But what is the minimum distance needed?
17.2 meters.
17.2 meters. So what will happen? Echo
Sir,
is
echo will
possible.
not be found.
Echo will not be heard.
No, sir.
Yeah, echo will not be heard. Here time we don't know because time we cannot say because we don't know. But you remember these conditions, very, very important. T dash and T. T dash means what is that? Reflecting sound. T means the first hearing sound. So the differences between them must be how much? It must be greater than or equals to 0.1 seconds. Do you understand, everybody?
Sir,
Yes,
have you
sir.
proved that the time taken is less than 0.1
No,
second?
we cannot prove it, Mari, here. That's why I'm saying it is not possible. That's we only will consider as a distance between the listener and the reflector. That's all.
Yes,
Listener
sir.
and the reflector only will consider here. Clear?
Yes,
Understand?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, on
The
doubt, sir.
condition I'm saying you. Time I'm saying you the condition. Clear?
Sir, can the time be greater than 0.1 second?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Minimum time is 0.1. If it is greater than that, definitely we can hear more clearly.
Yes, sir.
That's what I said. That's why I put greater than or equals to. Clear? If it is less than or equals to, you cannot do.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Complete it. Very good question it is. You have to write it. The distance between the girl and the wall is only how many meters? 6 meters.
6 meters.
But what is the minimum distance we wanted to hear the echo?
17.2.
17.2 meters. So it is not possible to hear the echo. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Make it fast. Next. Why do we hear the sound produced by the humming bees while the sound of vibrations of pendulum is not heard? Humming bees we can hear the sound, but we cannot hear the pendulum sound. What is the reason? Anybody?
Humming bees produce sound between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz.
That is what, high
Whereas
frequency or low frequency? That is what?
low
Low frequency, hummingbirds.
high frequency.
Like sound they produce. Am I right? So what is that? High frequency, low frequency, humming bees. Frequency of sound is what? High. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So the frequency produced by them, it is in audible range or inaudible range?
Inaudible.
Hey, inaudible means how can you hear, Mare?
Sir, I...
Yeah,
Oh,
audible range,
yes,
understanding. That's
yes, sir.
all.
Yes.
But pendulum oscillations, what will happen? Pendulum oscillations very slowly. So they cannot hear. What is the range? Because pendulum will be in a what range? infrasonic range. Is it right or wrong?
Yes,
Everybody? Yes. Very
sir.
slowly.
Sir, but sometimes when we goes deep into it, we can hear it, sir.
What pendulum?
Pendulum.
Unless it
Pendulum.
will make a greater frequency, you cannot hear, Mari. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So normal vibrations we cannot hear. Okay? Because it will produce infrasonic sound. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question. In any explosion takes place at the bottom of a lake, what type of shocks waves in water will be takes place? Water, bottom. What will takes place? Yes, please. Water, I already told you. The waves produced by deeper inside the water. Wall clock, it is
Longitude.
audible range. Shivani, wall clock, it is audible range. That is, we are having a separate system for that. That is making oscillations. That is audible systems. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what will happen, guys? Water will produce what waves? Bottom of the waves. I already taught you guys. So inside the water, on the surface, transversal waves, and inside the water, what is the waves it will produce? Longitudinal waves. Okay, so please note it. On the surface of water, surface it will produce transverse waves, and bottom deeper inside it will produce as longitudinal waves. Okay, so please mark it and learn it. Clear, everybody? All of you? Yes, please. The next one is
Yes, sir.
numerical, and after that also everything numericals only. So many things. So that's all will complete tomorrow, and tomorrow extra questions will solve. So after that, we'll make for the practice and we'll start revising for the exam. So we're having, I think, 8th, we are having exam. Is it right? So 3 chapters, everything numericals, many things are there. We have to practice till here, everything revise and everything make it. Then tomorrow we'll continue and we'll complete it. Thank you, everybody. Meet tomorrow.